Hi everyone, so today we will learn how to enable and disable light bulb in VS Code. Currently you don't see a light bulb here, but let me show it to you. It will appear magically. So let me take my mouse on this piece of code and you can see I'm getting this light bulb here. It simply refers to the code actions. When you click on it, a pop-up will show up like this. And you can see it is asking me a couple of actions like generate docs, generate test, move to a file, move to a new file. So if you're like me who sometimes finds it annoying, you can get rid of it. To get rid of this light bulb, you can go to this file menu, preferences, then go to settings. Here simply type light bulb. This setting will show up and you can see by default it is set to on code. If you click here, you will see three options: off, on code and on. So if you select off, you will get rid of this light bulb. It will be completely disabled. The second is on code. So whenever you go over the code, it will show up. And the last one is on. So when you select on, it will also appear in case of empty lines, as you can see here. So I want to get rid of it. I can pick off. Now let's go to the code file. Let's open it on the side. Now take your mouse. So you can see the light bulb is not appearing. If I pick on code, you can see it will appear magically. So depending upon your requirement, you can enable it or you can disable it. So I hope you understood how to enable and disable this light bulb in VS Code editor. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.